Uh-oh. You broke the leg on your girlfriend's furniture? You're in trouble. No problem. I'll show you how to fix it before she gets home. First thing we're gonna do is glue the piece back on. We'll use some wood glue. Now we get the nail gun ready. Put the piece back on with the glue. Press it down tightly. And hit it with a couple of nails. Hit the top side a few times. Now we'll hit the bottom. If you don't have nails, you can drill a few pilot holes and do the same thing. Now we'll fix that crack. We're gonna go ahead and sand it down with some 220 sandpaper. Now we'll go over it with some 320 sandpaper. After that, we're gonna try to rub some fill stick or crayon if you don't have it into that crack. Try to rub it into that crack pretty good. See how it filled it in? Now, we'll take a little piece of cardboard or a piece of paper and try to rub it into the crack. Try to get that area ready for painting. All right, it's in the crack. That looks pretty good. Now we get it ready for paint. We'll use some nebulous gray paint. Hit it with a few coats, dry it, hit it with some more coats, dry it again. Now we'll get our pencil sharpener ready to draw in the grain lines. If you see here, you see all these little black grain lines. We're gonna try to replicate that on the other side. Just draw a few lines in. Hit the bottom area. Now the piece has a distressed look to it. So we're gonna take a little bit of black glaze and lightly brush the other side to try to replicate it. Give it a light brushing. That looks pretty good. Ready for a clear coat. Now we're gonna use some lacquer. Shoot it with a couple of clear coats. Dry it off. And it's pretty much done. Now we still have a problem. The bottom of the furniture has some holes in it from when the leg got ripped off. Now you can't screw the leg back on because the holes are stripped. It's no problem. We'll take care of that too. We'll clean off the area with a chisel and flatten it out. Now we'll get some tissue paper and try to stuff it into those holes. Use something to push the tissue paper into the hole. We fill all the holes. Now we take some thin glue. It's the consistency of water. And we apply it to the hole so the tissue paper can absorb it. After that, we're gonna hit it with some spray activator, and that activates the glue and makes it hard. See, we can test it. We can push in the holes and it's pretty hard. That's solid. Now we can screw the leg back on. Make sure you center it so the leg doesn't look crooked. And we're all done. See, you can't even tell. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Furniture Repair School. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.